Have you ever taken a moment to wonder why Spanish is one of the most predominant languages worldwide? It's not solely because it's the officially recognized language of 21 countries spanning Europe, America, and Africa. The Spanish language, or Castilian as it was originally named, can trace its origins to the Castile region of Spain. Its roots reach back to the late 15th century, during the era of the Reconquista, a period when the Christian kingdoms from the northern parts of the peninsula took control from the south, which was under Islamic rule. The Spanish language's spread across the globe is owed to Spain's expansive empire from the 15th to the 19th century, which brought Spanish into contact with numerous cultures and societies. Today, it's imprinted itself on the global stage as a leading language, contributing to its captivating allure. The cultural richness it encapsulates, the inherent elegance of its phrases, all add to its captivating charm. Today, it's the primary language for a staggering 460 million people and serves as a second language to an additional 75 million. Its global presence is vast. It is the second most studied language worldwide, falling just behind English. Furthermore, the Spanish language's sphere of influence is not limited to those who speak it. It has left an indelible mark on countless languages, particularly in terms of vocabulary. Via the channels of colonization and exploration, Spanish has gifted a plethora of words to languages worldwide, including English. Examples include everyday terms such as patio, plaza, and rodeo. But its influence extends far beyond mere words. The Spanish language has made substantial contributions to the spheres of literature, art, and music, leaving a profound legacy. From the literary masterpieces of Cervantes to Gabriel Garcia Marquez, to the rhythm-infused worlds of flamenco and salsa, the Spanish language continues to enrich and diversify the cultural mosaic of our world. Firstly, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Listen to Spanish music, watch Spanish movies, read Spanish books. This immersion will not only help you understand the language better, but will also acquaint you with the cultural nuances. Secondly, practice makes perfect. Make it a habit to speak Spanish regularly. It doesn't matter if you start with just a few basic phrases, the key lies in consistency. Remember, even native speakers were once beginners. Thirdly, don't shy away from making mistakes. It's okay to mispronounce a word or use the wrong tense. These mistakes are stepping stones to mastering the language. Fourthly, use language learning apps. They are a great way to practice Spanish at your own pace. They often include games and quizzes that make learning fun and interactive. Lastly, try to think in Spanish. This may sound challenging at first, but it's a powerful tool that can significantly improve your fluency. Remember, learning Spanish is more than just memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. It's about understanding the culture, the people, and their way of life. It's about opening doors to new experiences and opportunities. In conclusion, learning Spanish may seem like a mountain to climb, but with the right attitude and methods, it can become a memorable adventure. Immerse yourself in the language, practice regularly, learn from your mistakes, use language learning apps, and think in Spanish. These tips can make your Spanish learning journey not only easier but also enjoyable. So, embark on this exciting journey of learning Spanish and discover a new world of opportunities that awaits you. Spanish, also known as Castilian, is a Romance language that originated in the Iberian Peninsula. But it's not just about the language, it's about the people, the culture, and the history. It's the second most spoken language by the number of native speakers, and it's one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. It has influenced many other languages, and it continues to do so. Spanish is not just a language, it's a world in itself. Indeed, Spanish is not just a language, it's a culture, a lifestyle, and a global influence. It's the 3rd most used language on the internet, opening up a vast digital world for those who speak it. Beyond that, it's the 2nd most studied language in the world after English, reflecting the global interest in this vibrant tongue. Spanish literature, music, and cinema have made their mark globally, enriching arts and culture worldwide. So, learning Spanish is not just about communication, it's about understanding a culture that has profoundly shaped the world. Spanish is a language full of history, beauty, and diversity. It's the 2nd most spoken language in the world, a testament to its global reach and influence. Not only that, but it's also the official language in 21 countries, each with its own unique twist on the language. Even on the global stage, Spanish holds its own, being one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Learning Spanish, therefore, opens up a world of opportunities and experiences, allowing you to connect with diverse cultures and communities all over the globe. Thank you for joining us on this journey to master Spanish. We've covered a lot in this video, from the beauty of the Spanish language to the importance of immersion and practice. We've learned to embrace mistakes, utilize language learning apps, and to start thinking in Spanish. We've also explored the cultural perspective and how learning Spanish opens up a whole new world of opportunities. Remember, every language is a journey, and every journey is unique. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deeper into Spanish. Your efforts will be rewarded with a rich understanding of diverse cultures, global communication skills, and a broader perspective of the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning content.